Assalamu alaikum class 4. This is your maths lesson. Students, as you know that we have started our unit factors and multiples. Okay, as you know, the factors of a number are those numbers that exactly divides that given number. Means the numbers who divides the given number exactly are called their factor. We have started our exercise 3 from A to E. This was done, and F to J you have to do these part. So the F1 part I'll do it for you. Ready your notebook, write this 64. Firstly we will start with 1. Yes, we get the exactly answer. Now we will divide, we will check, is it 2 the factor of 64? Yes, 2 3 times and 2 4 times, so it is exactly divisible. So now we'll check, is it, do you think that is it exactly divisible by 3? Because 6, if we add these 6 and 4, it becomes 10, and 10 is not divisible by 3, so it is not fulfill the condition of divisibility test of 3, so will not do this. So we check it with 4 1 times and 2 carry, there are 24. 4 times 6 is 24, so yes, it's okay. And now we'll check it for 5, no, because there is no 5 and 0. 6, no. 7, 8 8s are 64, and then 9, no. 10, no. 11, no, it is not divisible by 11. 12, no, it is not divisible by 12. That's all. So their factors are 1, 2, 4, 8, 64, 32, 16. So now we will write the factors of 64 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 64 itself. Okay, so these are the factors. So in this way you have to do these next part. And you look exercise 4. This is very easy. Only you just write true or false for the following statements. The first is 2 is a factor of 18. Is it a very it's very easy. You just write yes, 2 is the factor of 18, because in unit place this is even number, so we will do true here. 3 is factor of 29. Do you think that 29 is divisible by 3? No, it is not divisible by 3, so it is false. 5 is a factor of 30. Student, think about it. Is 5 divides 30 exactly? If it is exactly divisible by 5, then it is true. Okay, so in this way you have to do true or false this exercise. After completing this exercise, the next one is, these are objective type questions. Okay, so that's why it's very easy. Which number other than 1 is a factor of 9 and a factor of 15? Means which number divides both of these number exactly? Which number do you think that, student, it divide by 9 as well as 15? As you know that factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. So except 9 there is only 3 number. That is also 3 also divides 15 exactly. So 3 is the answer. Okay, after completing this, next B, a factor of 18 and a factor of 24. It's so easy because both are having unit in unit place, they are having even numbers. So 2 is the number that is exactly divisible by exactly divide these two numbers. In this way, student, you check the next 28 and 35, which number exactly divide these both number, and 16 and 36, and you have to write down answers here. There may be two answers It's not only that you just write one answer. Okay, like in this, like student, as you know that 6 also divide these both numbers exactly, as well as 3. So their answers are 2, 3 and 6 as well. So if there are more than one number, so you can write, okay, it's not a restriction that you just write one answer. Okay student, you have to complete exercise 4 and 5, and then you will share your work in group as well as these on your notebook. These two exercise 4 and 5, you will complete it on book, and these 5 parts you will write it on notebook. Okay, take care.